dialed, baby. Let's do this.
Well, the race is done. Completed the 4-hour endurance race.
The car held up great. The engine temperatures stayed pretty low for what I think I had to do, for how muddy the radiators got. We were running at the most about 205 to 207. It would cool itself back off to like 191, 193. You know, I really think the Dissipate helped keep the engine temperatures down because it didn't let the aluminum get heat soaked. But that sucker's cake.
Oh yeah.
I think most radiators would have overheated. So thankfully we got the Dissipate on there, and that got us through the race.